2 of the Triumph factory visitor experience, and I've come to show you the new rocket display. And here is the pre-concept. This is like where they just work out the shape. I mean, obviously it's got some of the shape of the original Rocket 3 clay book. And sculpted in clay to give the final shape and style of the bike. Don't know what you think, but they've done a pretty good job. From there to the scheme design. Look at this. This guy's has got the engine in from the Triumph Explorer, but it's in the rocket frame. Basically, test mule. Very, very different, isn't it? It's got like the old clocks on. It looks a right lash up really, but it's a test mule. Fantastic what they do in the to get these bikes right, the amount of work is involved. I wonder what it's like to actually ride. The purpose of doing this was to test out the handling, dynamics and stability of the bike. Rider and pillion ergonomic interactions, and basically just to get a feel for how the bike goes before they actually slotted that huge 2.5 litre engine in it. So I mean that is the 1200 engine. Look at the size of those pistons, like lorry engines. This new Rocket 3 is 40 kilograms lighter than its 2.3 litre predecessor. To achieve this, steel fabricated frame was replaced with cast aluminium assembly, resulting in 11 kilograms straight off it. New aluminium crankcases also contributed to the weight saving. Beautiful looking exhaust as well, isn't it? This is closer to the completed bike, where they were testing the ergonomics out and the positions of the foot pegs and handlebars. I'm sure that particular bike did lots of miles on the road. And it's got the completed dash on as well, hasn't it? Just here we've got some cutaways. It's rear drive. Nearly said diff, but should get a little bit more light here to show you guys, but it's a little bit dark here, but hopefully the GoPro will pick something up for you. Completed one here, but a black bike sitting in a very dark place, so I doubt very much whether you guys are going to see much. Shame really. But if you own a Rocket 3, it's well worth making the effort to come down to the Tribe factory. You don't have to pay, just pull up at the front, come up and have a look, have a wander around, come and see how they developed your bike. Fascinating really, absolutely fascinating. And of course there's much more to see here other than just the rocket display. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheerio. Bye.